Hi there, my friend. I'm Luchi. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Skydive Dubai. Tell me, what are you doing here today?
I'm here for skydive.
Oh, that sounds crazy, man. Are you sure you want to do it?
Yep, weather looks pretty good.
Yeah. Are you like you're not afraid?
Not much.
Not
I
much.
think my
You're gonna
instructor
do
is
it.
great.
You're
I
gonna have
just
some fun, right?
Yeah.
Perfect, man. Any message to your friends and family back home before we go up?
Yeah, love you all.
Nice, man. Perfect. Have you met your instructor?
Yeah, I have met him.
He explained everything?
Yeah, yes, it's great.
Perfect. So you're ready to skydive, right?
Yes.
Awesome, man. Have some fun and see you all the way up there.
Sure.
Bye.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility.
Alright, man. How was it?
Pretty amazing. Like,
You had fun?
yeah, it was an unreal experience.
Would you go again?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, man. What was your favorite part?
Like when we just drop off, like it was crazy. I was always if it was going right or wrong.
Pretty
Yeah,
cool, man. You did amazing. Thank you for choosing Skydive Dubai and see you next time.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Spaceships.